Deleting your Shopee account is easy. Simply follow this step-by-step guide on how to do it. So let's get started. Firstly, from the home screen, open the Shopee app. Then click on the Me icon from the bottom right corner of your screen. Then simply click My Account option available there. Inside My Account, you can see Request Account Deletion option available. Click on it. Then simply click on the OK option available again. Now click Proceed. Now the Shopee will send you the verification code on your mobile device. Simply copy your verification code. Then enter code and click Continue option available there. Click Select Reason option. Then click I no longer want to use Shopee option from there. Now click Submit. Then click Confirm, and that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.